Welcome students. Today we are going to start the new topic, that is property of proportions. There are some property of proportions. First is invertendo. If A is to B and C is to D, then B is to A and D is to C. This property is invertendo. Since A is to B and C is to D, A is to B, A upon B is equal to C upon D, and this can be written as 1 upon A upon B, 1 upon C upon D, and this will be equal to B by A is equal to D by C, and this can be written in the ratio B is to A and B is to C. So if four quantity are proportional, then they are also proportional if they taken inversely. Second property, alternando. If A is to B, C is to D, then alternando means alternate say A is to C and D is to D, ये होगा alternate हो गए. Since A upon B is equal to C upon D, then multiply by B by C both sides, then A upon B into B upon C is equal to C by D into B by C. This will be equal to A upon C is equal to B upon D, and in ratio this can be written as A is to C, B is to D. So if four quantity are proportional, they are also proportional when taken alternately. Now third property, componendo. And fourth property, dividendo. If A is to B and C is to D, then A plus B by A plus B is to B and C plus D is to B. ये कंपोनेंट है. Similarly, if A is to B, C is to D, then A minus B by B C minus D by D. And this can also be written as A minus D is to B and C minus D is to B. Since A upon B is equal to C upon D, adding 1 both sides, then A upon B plus 1 is equal to C upon D plus 1 and A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D, and in ratio A plus B is to B and C plus D is to B. This property will be component. And by dividend of A by B is equal to C by D, subtraction by 1 both sides, then A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. So A minus B is to B and C minus D is to B. If both the property taken together, then this property is a rule known as componendo and dividendo rule. अगर इन दोनों प्रॉपर्टी को एक साथ यूज किया जाए तो क्या होगा? 1 second. अगर इन दोनों को एक साथ यूज किया जाए, इन प्रॉपर्टी को, जो कि मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन में इनका यूज होता है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी है कंपोनेंडो एंड डिवाइडेंडो रूल. डिवाइड 1 by second, इसको इससे डिवाइड कर दो, क्या आएगा? A plus B by B divided by A minus B by B is equal to C plus D by D divided by C minus D by D. So this can be written as A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D C minus D. This property is componendo and dividendo if A is to B and C is to B. इस प्रॉपर्टी को बोलते हैं कंपोनेंडो. एक बार ये इसमें ऐड हो जाता है, फिर उसी में सब्ट्रैक्ट ऐड हो जाएगा और सब्ट्रैक्शन हो जाएगा. ये प्रॉपर्टी होती है कंपोनेंडो एंड डिवाइडेंडो रूल. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी जिसको हम बोलते हैं एडेंडो. If A is to B, C is to D, then A by B is equal to C by D is equal to A plus C B plus B. ये हो जाएगा. A is to B and C to D is equal to, can be written as in the form of A by B and C by D. Then by alternando A by C is equal to B by D. B by D, and apply component A plus C by C is equal to B plus D by D, and by alternative A plus C by B plus D is equal to C by D. From 1 and second, we get A by B is equal to C by D, and C by D is equal to A plus C by B plus D. This property is addendum. Now some example on the basis of this property. इन प्रॉपर्टीज में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी है कंपोनेंट एंड डिवाइडेंड रूल्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ A is to B, C is to D, then so that 2A plus 3B is to 2C plus 3D, and 2A minus 3B is to 2C minus 3D. ये प्रूव करना है. We have given that A is to B means A, B, C, D are in proportions. So this implies A by B is equal to C by D. Now multiply both sides by 2 by 3. We get 2A, 3B, 2C, 3D. Now applying componendo and dividend rules. टू ए प्लस 3B, 2A माइनस 3B. एक बार इसमें ऐड हो जाता है ये, एक बार इसी में से ये माइनस हो जाएगा. 2C प्लस 3D, 2C माइनस 3D. अब अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन हमें प्रूव क्या करना, 2A प्लस 3B बाय 2C 3D, 2C 3D ये आएगा इधर. तो बाय अल्टरनेटो 2A plus 3B by 2C plus 3D is equal to 2A minus 3B, 2C minus 3D, and this can be written as 2A plus 3B is to 2C plus 3D, 2A minus 3B, 2C minus 3D. Hence proved. These are some properties on the basis of proportions and examples. Okay, thank you.